Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to calculate the value for mode. So let's discuss the meaning of mode first. So the mode is that number that occur highest number of time in a question. So if I'm taking individual series, there is no formula given to find out, but by inspection you can easily calculate the values. So let's take an example. 4, 5, 3, 5, 5, 2, 5, 2 and 3. In this example, I can say that the value of mode will be 5. Why 5? You can see that 5 occurs the highest number of the times as the definition of mode says. So we can say that the value of mode will be 5 in this example. 5 occurs 4 times. If you see, 4 occurs only 1 time, 3 occurs only 2 times and 2 occurs only 2 times in this question. So only the 5 occurs the highest number of times, that is 4 times. So the value of mode will be 5. Okay, so let's discuss discrete series next. So discrete series, as you know that in this type of series frequencies are given, so you need not to find out that particular number occurs how many times in the example. So from the frequency you can easily guess what will be the value of mode. So let's take an example to clarify this. I have taken a very easy example. So you can see that the value of mode will be 10. Why this is 10? The reason behind it is that 10 occurs 9 times, which is highest the any other number. Because 7 occurs only 4 times, 8 occurs only 5 times, 9 occurs only 8 times, 10 occurs only 9 times, which is the highest one. So this is mode, and 12 occurs only 6 times. So 10 occurs the highest number of times, so the value of mode will be 10. Got it? Now discuss the value for mode in case of continuous series. In this type of series, a formula is given because the data is grouped in this case. So we can say that how to find out the value of mode in case of grouped data. Okay, the data is grouped. It means the class intervals are given in this type of series. So let's discuss the formula first. Mode. So mode is equals to L. L is the lower limit plus bracket F1. F1 is the frequencies of model class minus F0. F0 is the frequency of a class preceding the model class. Okay, upon 2 of F1 means double of F1 minus F0 minus F2. F2 is frequencies of class succeeding the model class into H. H is the class size. Okay. Now the question arises that how will we get or how will we find out the value for class, model class? So model class is the class or the class interval which has highest number of frequency. Let's discuss it with an example. I have taken a very simple example. So firstly find out the model class. So model class will be this one. Why this is model class? Because 13 will be the highest number or frequency which has high. This class interval is the highest number of frequencies. So this will be our model class. So now to find out F0, F1 and F2. 13 will be our F1 because the frequencies of model class is our F1, and 5 is our F0, f0 is the frequency preceding the model class, because this is the model class. So this will be, preceding means pehle wali, so this will be our f0 and this will be our f2. 8 is our f2, frequency succeeding the model class. इससे next जो है that is f2 will be 8. So these are the values for f0, f1 and f2, and the trick is 0 1 2 sequence में 0 1 2 find out model class and then 0 1 2. This will be the trick to learn it in the sequence. Okay, now find out the lower limit. Lower limit will be the lower limit of model class, so 10 will be the L in this case. Now H is class size. You can see that the gap or difference is of 10, so the value of H will be 10. Now put all these values in the formula. Firstly, L is 10, lower limit of model class, so put them 10 plus bracket f1 is our 13 minus f0 is 5 upon double of f1, this is 13 minus f0 is 5 minus f2 is our 8 into the h, the value of h we have already calculated as 10 or find out already. This will be 10. So now calculate it. 10 plus 13 minus 5 is 8, 20, 13 2s are 26 minus, this is the value of f2 is 8. So this is 13. The value of f2 is 8. Okay. So into h. So now solve it out. 10 plus 8 over 13 into 10. So this will be 10 plus 10 8s are 80 over 13. So this will be 10, 80 over 13 will be 6.15 and the whole answer will be 16.15. The value of mode in this case will be 16.15. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Bye. Meet you soon in the next video.